This is Eureka Math, Grade 3, Module 3, Lesson 15 Exit Ticket. Let's look at our first problem. Miss Anquino pours 36 liters of water equally into 9 containers. How much water is in each container? W equals water. So our unknown is how much water is in each container. That's what we have to solve for. And we will write a W to represent that. What number sentence matches the problem? So they're not asking us how much water is in each container. They're saying, what number sentence can we use to solve this problem? So we know that there are 36 liters of water, and she pours them into 9 containers. So in other words, she divides the 36 liters, she divides it up into 9 containers. And we have to find what is W. We would be solving for W. So our answer is 36 divided by 9 equals W. Number 4, Miss Anquino pours 36 liters of water equally into 9 containers. How much water is in each container? Each container holds blank liters. So now in this question, they're asking us to solve the problem. So 36 divided by 9 equals W. And if you look up here, I'm going to solve it above it. So the first thing that we can do is we can switch this around into a multiplication problem. So we would have 9 times W equals 36. We know 36 is the total amount, and we're dividing it up by 9 containers. So 9 times what equals 36? So we're going to count by 9s. We have 9, 18, 27, 36. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. 36. So W, the value of W is 4. So each container holds 4 liters. Number 5, Marlon buys 9 packs of hot dogs. There are 6 hot dogs in each pack. How many hot dogs does he buy? He buys blank hot dogs. So we don't know the total number of hot dogs. So since we don't know the total number, that means we need to multiply to find the total number. So he has 9 packs of hot dogs, and there are 6 hot dogs in each pack. And I'm going to use the letter H for the total number of hot dogs. 9 times 6 equals H. Let's say this is too hard for me. So I'm going to think, 9 times 5 is so easy because I can just count by 5s. So I'm going to break this down into 5 and 1. So 9 times 5, I know that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 9 times 5 is 45. Now 9 times 1 is 9. And I can add that together. But in one of our previous exit tickets, I believe it was yesterday, we learned to add 9. The easiest way is to add 10 and then subtract 1. So 45 plus 10 is 55. 55 take away 1 is 54. So how many hot dogs does he buy? He buys 54 hot dogs. Our next problem, Marlon buys 9 packs of hot dogs. There are 6 hot dogs in each pack. After the barbecue, 35 hot dogs are left over. How many hot dogs were eaten? So D equals hot dogs eaten. They're asking which number sentence matches the problem. So this is a 2-step problem. We just did the first step. 9 packs of hot dogs. And there are 6 hot dogs in each pack. 9 times 6, we just figured out, was 54. So 54 was the total number of hot dogs at the barbecue. And we know that there are 35 hot dogs left over. And we want to find how many hot dogs were eaten, and that we know that that is D. So they are asking what number sentence matches the problem. Our number sentence is 54 minus 35 equals D. Okay, in this next problem, it's the same problem. They just want to know how many hot dogs were eaten. Blank hot dogs were eaten. So we know that D is the number of hot dogs eaten, so we're going to solve for D. So I'm going to start by drawing a 2 parts and a whole diagram. Okay, I'm going to draw a rectangle and then a line and a line down the bottom. So this shows the whole part is 54. There were 54 hot dogs to begin with. There were 35 left over when they got done eating. And so here's D. D is the amount of hot dogs that were eaten, which is what we're trying to figure out. So there's 2 ways we could do this. We could say 35 plus D equals 54, because 35 plus D is the same thing as 54. Or we could start with 54 and we could subtract 35. So let's do this. 54 minus 35. Can we take 5 away from 4? No, that's not enough. So we're going to go next door and we're going to borrow a 10. So this is only going to be 4 10s left. And we're going to bring that 10 to the ones place. 4 plus 10 is 14. So 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. There is our value of D. D equals 19. So let's check it. Let's check it just to make sure. 35 plus 19 equals 54. Okay, let's try. Let's line it up. 35 plus 19. 5 plus 9 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 5, 54. That is correct. How many hot dogs were eaten? 19 hot dogs were eaten.